This Coldwell Banker American Home property video is presented by Annette Harper. Walkout Ranch in Washburn Rural with vaulted great room, fireplace, formal dining room, beautiful kitchen with granite countertops, tile backsplash. Main floor laundry, sunroom, HVAC 3 years old. New carpet in upstairs bedrooms. Spacious master. Updated interior paint. New bedroom and bath in basement. New roof in 2020. Workshop for those crafters. Privacy fenced. Home is bigger than it appears. Call to see today. For more information, review the details below or contact Annette Harper at 785-267-2700.